How to enable and disable Face ID and passcode for hidden and recently deleted albums on iPhone iOS 18. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll teach you how you can enable Face ID and passcode for hidden and recently deleted albums on iPhone iOS 18. So let's get started without wasting your precious time. First, open the settings application. Now, swipe all the way down and tap on apps. In the apps menu, swipe down to find photos. This is the photo settings. Tap on it. Now you have to find use face ID or passcode option under the photo settings. So this is use face ID option. With the help of this option, you can enable or disable face ID and passcode for hidden and deleted albums on your iPhone and iPad. So that's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.